In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to determine activity level on MyFitnessPal. Full guide. Getting your activity level right is essential because it sets your daily calorie target and helps the app estimate how much energy you burn before adding any logged workouts. Choose well here, and your goals will be more accurate from day one. Start by opening the MyFitnessPal app on your device. Make sure you're on the latest version so the menus match what you see here. If you're not already signed in, tap Login. Enter your account credentials carefully, then tap Login again to proceed. Keep your login details private and avoid saving them on shared devices for security. Once you land on the dashboard, look for the More option. On most phones, it's at the bottom right. Tap More to open the full settings menu, then tap Goals. This is where MyFitnessPal stores your nutrition targets, weight goals, and your activity preferences. Next, tap Exercise Calories. Here you'll see an option to include exercise calories in your daily goal. Tap Yes. This tells the app to add calories back when you log a workout or when a connected step tracker reports movement. It's useful if you want your daily allowance to rise on days when you're more active. Right below, you'll see the activity level choices. Pick the one that best describes your typical day, not your workouts. Sedentary usually means you sit most of the day with minimal walking. Lightly active fits jobs or routines with some standing and a few thousand steps. Active suits people who are on their feet a lot and regularly hit higher step counts. Very active is for those with physically demanding days, like manual labor or constant movement. If you're unsure, choose the more conservative option. It's easier to adjust up later than to troubleshoot stalled progress from overestimating. Remember, the activity level covers your baseline movement. Structured exercise, like gym sessions or runs, should be logged separately so the app can add those calories on top of your baseline. If you notice your weight trend isn't matching expectations after a couple of weeks, come back here and nudge the activity level accordingly. When you've made your selection, tap Set to save your choice. You should see your daily calorie target update to reflect your new baseline. That's it. Your activity level is now configured. Revisit this setting if your routine changes, such as starting a more active job or moving to a more sedentary schedule, so your goals always stay accurate and helpful.